Hello, friends. I'm going to climb every mountain, swallow every hill. Then you'll know someone else will. That's it. That's a what's the Sound of Music song. I don't know the lyrics and the melody. Roughly, I know. Let's see. So I'm gonna carry this up to the restraining order to the hookup, no, to the structure. What is that called? Whoa. So I hope this works. Let's see. I'll move it over this way. And hang it this way. And see, I got this. Let's see. Trying to get it up there. Wait a minute. Let's see. Wait a minute. Did not try this at home. Let's see. Let's see if I can turn this that way. Oh gosh, the phone's gone. The phone. No. I thought it was gonna come off. It's held by a magnet. Oh no. Careful. Don't wanna damage anything. Oh shit, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. Wait a minute, it's gotta fit. It's the same equipment. Original equipment. It fit. Oh boy. Did I get that on video? I don't know. Let me see. I'm using it. Oh gosh. There you go. Let's see. Okay, so let's see, what can I do? Let's see. What can I do? Let's see. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, careful. Careful. Let's see what. Oh, no. Kind of like this. Kind of bends it down. Maybe bends it down. And kind of turn it. Maybe turn it more. Turn it. Oh shit, it's gonna fall. I'm sure it's gonna fall. Oh wait. It didn't fall. Oh shit. Let's see. It's not. How come it's not pointing to it? Let's see. What if I go like this?